Welcome back to Viral Mailer for You. And in this video, it's actually going to be the last video in the setup series. In the last video, I think, for Viral Mailer for You, I actually showed you how to set up your dashboard and your profile. And in this one, there's just a few other things just to look at so that you're familiar with them. And if you scroll down, you will see, again, there's 100 credits for grab here. So click on the daily bonus. Another page will open. A countdown happens. And at the end of the period, which is about 18 and 19 seconds, you will get 100 credits today. It changes every day. How many credits you get changes every day. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. But I would log in every single day and get as many free credits as you possibly can, because, hey, free credits are free. So again, similarly in free advertising for you, at free mailer for you, we have this same page. Click here to learn how to use Viral Mailer for You. And if you open that page, you will be presented with a slightly different setup this time, how to use Viral Mailer for You. So if you click on these different tabs here, each tab will explain what each one is. So it'll explain what the credit mailer is and how to use it. Take your time to read through this. And then there's a little quiz. It says, in the box below, enter the number of activity points you need to earn in the previous 30 days to maintain a pro upgrade. And if you come up to the little box, I'm not going to give you the answer. You need to find up here how many points are needed to get the pro upgrade. And then you answer it in this little box here and click on give me the code, and it will send you a code that you can redeem points. So go through each one of these tabs and you will earn credits along the way. So very important you do that. Not only is it educational and it's going to show you how the site works and explain everything, and if you don't understand it, pretend you understand it and read it again and again and again. And if you need help, reach out to whoever can help you, whether it be me, whether it be support, or whether it be your sponsor. Okay, so not only do you learn, you will earn as well. So here on the next tab down, of course, this is your home tab. If you ever get lost and you want to come back home, just click there. Here you can redeem promo codes. We'll talk more about promo codes in the next couple of videos. Your bank, as you earn, you will get figures coming into your bank. Join the newsletter. I really recommend you join the newsletter for both websites, for both Viral Mailer and free advertising for you, because you'll get free credits in the emails. There's an update here. If you read that, you'll get a solo ad credited to you. The daily promo code for free advertising for you, I will explain that in the next video, but it's very powerful. And you want to do that on a daily basis. Here you can get 19 solo ads. Solo ads are very, very powerful, so you want to take advantage of that. There's a $2,000 monthly giveaway with winners and qualifications. Here you can upgrade your account. The next tab is free gifts. Go and grab your free gifts there. And there's pro member bonuses. So if you are a pro member, which I am, then you can grab some bonuses there. The next tab is how to use the site. Absolutely essential reading. If you don't know how to use it, you're not going to get very far. Please don't rely on me for all your training. I'm only showing you bits that you absolutely need. The rest is on you. It's your business. You need to go and study your business and understand how it all works. If you want to add a testimonial in here to say thank you to Jason and how brilliant it is, I would certainly do that. It's something I'm definitely going to do because I want people to see me as being active on all of these sites. And if everywhere you go, they keep seeing you, then this is going to help. I don't know if you realize that people buy what they see. People buy what's in front of them. If you go into a restaurant, for example, and say, "Can I get a Coke?" and they say, "Oh, I'm sorry, we only have Pepsi," the chances of you leaving the restaurant to go on search for a Coke is very slim. You'll either take the Pepsi or you get something else. You get a 7-Up or a beer or whatever. People buy what's in front of them, and if you're not in front of people, they won't buy from you. So the more that you can be seen by adding testimonials and all these other things, the more chances that people will keep seeing you and go, "Who is this guy? I keep seeing him everywhere. He must be someone I should follow." Okay, so it's worth doing. Bonus income went up to $15,000. You might want to check that out. $15,000 is substantial. And then each day there are winners for prizes. You'll be surprised if your name comes up and you get a small gift. Scrolling down is your activity. So again, in the last site, if you click on this link, another window will open up and it'll say, "Go and watch 40 videos here, or go and watch 50 of this or 20 of this," and you get points for doing so. And if you get over 1,000 points in any one month, you become a higher level and you get different bonuses. So here you can view your credit mail, your solo ads, your block ads, your ads for credits, your activity milestones. This is important, this section. This is your affiliate section where you can get your affiliate pages and banners and your links. These are your top sites that you're recommending, your commissions, your referral stats. You can mail to your referrals. You can mail to your downlines. You can transfer credits if you want. If you have too many credits and someone's done a fantastic job, one of your team has done a good job, you can actually give them some credits as a thank you. Down here is the advertising. You can purchase advertising of different kinds. And here you can set up the ads. And I'll walk you through that when we actually get to it. There's a credit mailer, another opportunity to redeem your promo codes. Okay, so there's 2 of those. And I use those daily. Every single day I come in and I get my promo codes. And then at the bottom, edit your details. There's a downline builder we will explore a bit later. Frequently asked questions, contact support if you ever need any help, and then log out. So the 2 sites are very similar. This one has a few more buttons and stuff than the other one, than free advertising for you. But they're both really great. I get lots of response from both of them. So there you go. That's a quick walkthrough for Viral Mailer for you. And in the next series, as I've said before, the next series of videos, we'll actually start getting credits by getting free promo codes and clicking on some links to earn. Have a great day. Until then.